space.
Still in operation. We've destroyed everything, dragging everything down the hall, trying to fill everything up.
What is it, another office?
This is his office. He's our maintenance supervisor, Dave Marshall. Bulk piece to add to the model. We have to back it into machine and dump it into there.
Back it into what machine?
You see the wet back on the chair?
Yeah.
And then he dumps it into the tub there,
Yeah.
which sumps it out the window. This is how we've been functioning with 25 people doing this.
Okay, so it goes from the pump to the vac into
It goes into the vacuum. The water goes into the vacuum. Vacuum into the rigid wet back.
Yep.
The wet back then fills up. We empty it into the red tub. The red tub has a sump pump because we need a depth for the sump pump, and then it gets pumped out the window. This is how creative we've had to get.
And that's the sump pump?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at all the water in there.
And we had to be ready to operate in the middle of an emergency because we're the town evacuation site. So people are engaged to come in here if there's an emergency.